How to fail the chain if its subtask gives an exception. I have faced a pretty strange issue with celery. There is a chain of tasks, and one of them gives an exception and does several retries. Here is the code of the task. The thing is that although the task in chain gives an exception, but the result.state keeps being pending and .get just freezes. I have tried to fail the task in case it reaches maximum retries value. But although executed separately task is getting marked as failed, executing in chain gives same result, pending and freezed get. I expected that the chain will get failed once any of its tasks will get failed and .get of the result should produce the exception thrown from the task. _update_. Stack trace given by apply_async with always _eager equals true.
Actually, I think you shouldn't be using raise here. You're throwing an exception. When the documentation says you shouldn't, you might want to just use a.retry and not raise a.retry.
When you have a chain, calling the chain will generate unique IDs for all of the tasks in the chain, send the messages and return the last result in the chain. So when you do res.get, you are simply trying to retrieve the result of the last task in the chain. It will also decorate the results with parent attributes, which you can traverse to get the progress of the chain. If you want to check for errors along the way, you can do
If you want to stop the show, please consider liking and subscribing.